Look here what's back. Despite everything working good and me thinking it was fixed, the customer came back with a complaint of no power locks. Power locks didn't work either pushing the button here, nor did they work with the remote. I never bothered to check that. I had a whole myriad of complaints. I did check all the complaints that I noticed, but I never verified that the power locks worked. Probably was a big omission in my part because that central electric computer does work the remote control. I think it does the function of a comfort control. And I've already solved the problem despite me doing some coding on the central electric module. I thought that this was a coding problem, and I went into coding and I made several changes and adjusted settings, and didn't find anything that really addressed my problem, and nothing fixed it. But I got to looking here in adaptation, and what I found was factory mode. And if you can see that right there, it says factory mode. And when I selected that, it gave me this pop-up that says factory mode is being used to display problems and faults during production, and once it's deactivated, it cannot be deactivated again. And it did have a value of 1 here. So I really didn't know what this was. I thought about it for a while, but since the central electric module was brand new and it was showing 1 that it was in factory mode active, I figured I needed to change that setting to 0 for factory mode inactive. And once I did that, now my power locks do work. Trying to show you that here. You can see the light came on and the locks did lock, and then I unlock it. But at this point, the remote doesn't work, so I would assume I'll have to program that remote. Big omission on my part, I think, during the repair, but I think we're getting it figured out for this customer. So we're gonna try and program the key. This is the only key that they have. The car lot only gave the owner of the car 1 key, and so to program it, you go to the drop-down box here and remote control adaptation there, and you enter in the number of keys that you're going to program. So I put 1 right there, and you push test and then save, and then yes, and then you push the button, and if you heard it, it just locked. So now to confirm, we're going to push unlock, and maybe you can see it better there. Lock, unlock, and this car is fixed. This is going to make the customer very happy, and I didn't waste a lot of time on it. Well, if you like this video, give me a like and subscribe, and visit my website at www.kansascitytdi.com.